Hey guys, it's me, Sassy Games 14, and today I'm going to be doing a video on me reviewing this slime, my lovely fluffy slime.
You can hear her.
Yeah, and I am doing a collab with Maisy. Follow her on YouTube at Maisy Gamble, and on Musically at Maisy Gamble CJS10. Yeah.
Just search my name on Musically at Maisy Gamble, and then you should find myself.
Yeah. And I'm reviewing this slime. And I've tried to film this video 3 times. This is my 3rd time doing it. So yeah. So I've just got this book that I'm going to lean on. It's called The Very Silly Sheep.
Comment down below if you have slime. And also comment down below.
Okay, so Maisy's just giving me an idea. Comment down below if you have any slime, and if you do, what type. If you don't, then comment down below what your favourite type of slime videos are, like fluffy, iceberg, normal or glossy slime or something like that. Yeah. And yeah, because I would very much like to know.
Did I open it already? I got dark blue that I'm giving to Imogen.
So yeah. I've got some scissors here because I want to see what it does when I cut it in half. And I don't know if this is called chocolate button slime because it's got like little bits in it. It's got little spotted bits in it. And I feel like they look like chocolate buttons but pink. So yeah, and it's very clicky. Like, so I'm just gonna... Okay, so I'm just gonna put it like this. So yeah.
One container left.
Oh, you can't see my face. There we go. There's my beautiful face. I can't really see myself, but yeah. This is the slime, and I'm gonna flatten it out. Just gonna flatten. Oh my goodness, so freaking annoying.
Okay, I only have one container to put.
I'm gonna turn Maisie down. And then this is my slime, and I'm just gonna see what happens when I cut it in half.
I'm gonna put these, and then I'm gonna have white glue.
That's so satisfying.
I'm gonna cut it open with scissors because it's really hard not to. So yeah, the first I'm gonna just say
it's so satisfying.
I'm not gonna show you the box because I feel like this is rude.
And this slime is homemade. All you need is shaving cream, glue, PVA glue, and contact lens solution. And I made my own box for it. It's just a little tub. It did have the words fluffy slime and glitter on the front, but they fell off. So yeah, it's bad. But I'm just gonna be doing I'm gonna do some ASMR with this. So I'm just gonna do ASMR time.
Something like this before and it just made it chunky. I think it might be something like this and it makes it chunky. Most players do that but they really need that in. So I have to say this had lots of colours. It's really good. It's hard. I don't know if it's good clay.
So that was ASMR time with my slime.
This was like 25.
It was only a bit because I don't really have much ASMR to do. But yeah, it's very clicky. Wait, let's just...
Yeah, I'm now putting this big orange in here.
Okay, just gotta do that. And then when you put it back together, where's the speaker? There's like loads of bubbles. It's like bubble wrap. So good.
So I am mixing the
yeah.
pinks and the purples. Imogen.
Yeah?
Did you hear that?
You're mixing...
I'm mixing the pinks and the purples.
Oh. So Maisie is mixing the pink and the purple clay together, which is very strange. But yes. And if you do want to watch her whole video, go over to her channel and you will see her and a few clips of me.
I might link her link in the description. I don't know.
Yeah, if I learn how to do that, then I will link Maisy's video. But it's just I don't really know how to do that at the moment.
You copy and then you paste.
On my tablet, I can't do that.
Only have 4 minutes left. Hurry up.
Oh, I have unlimited time now that I've installed 2 apps.
Okay, I'm putting play in.
Okay, so I just cut it up again because I felt like it. It's very satisfying. Just wait. I'm just gonna roll it out quickly. Just gonna go.
Comment the emoji with the sunglasses if you are here. If you are here, I want you to touch that like button with your nose. And then I will know if you're a real, true fan of me. And also
Okay,
comment down below.
guys. So I think that's all I need to do for the rest of my ASMR video. So make sure you smash that like button. I want you to smash it with your nose. Go smash, but make sure you don't hurt yourself because I'm not paying for your insurance. Bye.
Hi. I really wanted to record you saying smash.
Okay,
Can you do it again?
and smash that like button. Sorry, she's making me do stuff for her YouTube channel. So yeah. But make sure you smash that like button. I want you to smash it with your nose. And make sure you subscribe. And always remember, follow me on Musically, Sassy Games 14. And follow Maisy on Musically, Maisy Gamble CJS 10. Okay, and then always remember, stay sassy.